So there are actually a lot of things that we can do to reduce our daily hair fall. But keep in mind, no matter what we do, we can never completely eliminate the hair loss as it is a part of a natural process. But to keep things a little more organized, let's divide those quote-unquote lot of things into three different categories. The first category is the correct products that we can apply to the scalp or the hair. The second category would be the things we can do to increase the blood circulation in our head. And last but not least, the third category will comprise of the things we can consume in order to provide our hair with proper nutrition that can help maintain the hair in a good condition. Let's start with the first one for now. We know that we can reduce the daily hair fall if we could only find the correct products. Now there are some things that are meant to be used on a daily regular basis, such as a hair oil that contains all the good stuff, and this Ustra hair oil did that one for me. Or a good anti-hair fall shampoo, which is the Man Matters DHT blocking shampoo for me. But then there are other things that are specially created for the beings who think they're going through a serious hair loss, like this thing. This is the RPB hair tonic from Man Matters. But keep in mind, things like this usually contain some chemicals, one or the other. In this case, this RPB tonic contains Redensal, but it is a plant-based ingredient, so I ain't got any issues using it. But the point of the matter is, don't go running out getting anything that could reduce the hair fall just because someone said it can. Always do your own research first. Now the second set of items contains the things that we can do in order to increase the blood circulation, to pump some fresh new blood with more nutrients and resources for the hair follicles. And the easiest and most affordable way to do that would be to massage the head. And we can take this massage to the next level by simply hanging our head upside down, because now the gravity will help us push some more blood into the head. But of course, this is not the fastest way to increase the circulation. The fastest way would be to hop in a cold shower. But as we can't get out of there alive, the other thing we can do is to apply something on the head that can increase the blood circulation for us. Something such as red onion juice. But we should not forget that brushing the hair also helps in improving the blood circulation. And I personally have never done anything for the circulation other than massaging and brushing my head, because I believe that's enough, at least for now. And now for the third set of items, the things we can consume in order to provide our body with enough nutrients so that our hair can receive some of them. But we are all intelligent people, so we all know what we need to consume for the sake of our hair. Vitamin A, B, C, D, E, iron, zinc, protein, and biotin. In what form you consume them is completely up to you, and you can wander around finding edible things that contains all this good stuff. Good luck with that. But as the title of this video clearly suggests, the things I do to reduce daily hair fall. So I eat these candies. These are called the Nourish Gummies, and these are from Man Matters. And you may not believe it, but this thing actually contains a reasonable amount of all the nutrients that I just mentioned and a lot more. But most importantly, it's got high amounts of biotin and zinc. And we know how crucial both of these are for the hair. And I have to say, even if these didn't contain any of that good stuff, I'd still eat them just for the taste. And surprisingly, there's no added sugar. Yeah, I just ate 3 of those just a minute ago while filming this. So while you guys are busy finding some specific thing that contains like one of those nutrients, I'll just have these. Okay, that's enough. The link's in the description. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. That is if you found this video helpful. But with that being said, I'll see you around Alpha.